Take a look at this beautiful 1930 historic Tudor home in Tulsa. I'm Baskin with eXp Realty, and this is one of my favorite places. You know, it's hard to find a house that has not been destroyed, the history destroyed over a period of time, and this is one that has so much of its original character to it. Let's step inside. So here's our 3D model, and the one thing that's missing off this particular model is the attic. There's a finished attic that I'll show you here when we're done, but we've got the basement level, the ground level, and then the second level. So I'm going to walk you right in the front door, and actually I've run you right into the stairs. So let me get us back downstairs into the front door. So here's where the front door takes us in, and over here to the right there is an office with all this. Look at these fireplaces as we go through. This was back in a time when the tiles were handmade with a mold, not coming out of a machine, and all this woodwork and the things that you see throughout the house are almost all of it original, when things were cut by hand on site. And again, think back to 1930. Many of the glass panes are those windows are original as well. So let's keep going, and let me take you into the main part of the house. Now, you'll notice when we're walking through here just how large and spacious the rooms look. They really are that large and spacious. This was an executive's home when it was built, and certainly fits that characteristic today. Large dining room. You see the hardwood floors throughout, and high ceilings. So when this was built, you know, it really incorporated all the nice features of its day. Now, back here, this is one thing that's a little different. You'll see a very open, modernized kitchen. Of course, if you compare to the original state of many homes built around 1930, you end up with these very small compartmentalized kitchens and areas where there were too many walls. So this has actually been opened up and makes it much more livable. There's space where you can dine and actually have some furniture to relax, a little TV area there in the corner. So you can see that the practicality of it has really been brought up to date, but it's maintained a lot of the history. So let's go back. We're going to go upstairs, and I'll take you back to the dollhouse view. Now, keep in mind, you can use the link down below. You can view this at your own leisure and in the order that you want. But we'll step up the stairs here and come into the hall. Nice hand troweled ceiling. Many of the walls still maintain that finish. And let's step into the master suite. Another fireplace. So this is the third fireplace. You'll see there's also one downstairs, and you have a nice front-facing view here. This is the east side of the house. And an interesting thing, the closet actually connects here. You can see that on the floor plan. And I want to point out that what you don't see, this doorway here goes up into the attic, which is finished out. Now, any part of this house, you could just make it smaller if you don't want to use the space. It's divided where you don't have to use all the floors for a living space. But this one certainly does have, especially if you have a large family, does have a lot of flexibility and different uses. So this window right here, by the way, looks out to the backyard. In the back, there's a guest house that's above the garage. So if you want to use the guest house for family or for visitors, or maybe an office space, maybe you office at home and you want something separate there, that is an ideal use for this space. So you see over here on the other side, let me step back out in the hall. You see this laundry room or laundry area right here. That's not the laundry room. This is a second laundry connection just for convenience if you don't want to take your laundry to the main laundry area downstairs, which is in the basement. Let me show you what the basement looks like here real quick. We'll step back out and we'll go downstairs. This is a full basement that, well, I say full basement. It's not the complete underside of the house, but it is most of the house, and it is very, very livable. Comfortable, great for game space or kids to play. Tiled floor, so you can have everything from your workout room, just parties with the kids where you don't have to worry about what's happening to the floor and keeping everything pristine. All the mess and the junk, the fun times can happen down in the basement. And look at the size of this laundry room. Easy access to everything you need, including the mechanics of the house. So back behind these walls, you have very easy access to your heating and cooling systems, hot water tanks, those things that are sometimes very costly to repair when you can't get to them easily. So there you go. Here, that's just a quick overview. This house is priced at an amazing price, under $600,000, and it's in the historic Gillette district of Tulsa. Read up on it. I'll be able to provide you some more information if you'd like. Email or call us, the Baskin Real Estate Specialists, eXp Realty, 918-740-0077, 918-740-0077, or darylbaskin.com. Thanks for watching, and make sure you catch us on krmg.com, that's AM 740 and FM 102.3, on Saturdays at 1 o'clock for the Future of Real Estate, Tulsa's source for local real estate news and information. See you on the next tour.